In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find a missing folder in Microsoft Outlook. Whether the folder is hidden, accidentally moved, or deleted, these steps can help you locate it. If you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, open Outlook and click the View tab. Select Folder Pane and make sure it's set to normal. If the folder pane was turned off or minimized, your folders will appear again. If you still can't find the folder, use the search box at the top of Outlook. Type the name of the missing folder or search for an email you know is stored inside it. When you find the email, right-click it and choose Properties to see which folder it belongs to, or check the folder path shown in the reading pane. If the folder was accidentally moved, expand your mailbox and look through any subfolders. You can also check the deleted items folder. If the folder is there, right-click it and choose Move, then restore it to its original location. That's how to find a missing folder in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.